Good morning, eighth graders. Happy Friday. Happy pajama day. I've got my pajamas going on right here. I hope you guys are all doing great and ready for a 3-day weekend. We're going to go ahead and get started so that I can give you lots of time to work today. Okay, so first things first is our book talk. And I put the books I'm going to be going into Ike to teach this morning, so I put them already away. So anyway, today's book is called Piecing Me Together by Renee Watson. It's one of the last books that I have read. I just read it at the end of summer. So it is about a girl growing up in Portland, and she is living with her mom and her older brother. Actually, it's her uncle. Anyway, and it's just about her life, and she goes to a small private school where she's a minority because she's African American and she comes from poverty and things like that. And she's given lots of opportunities, but she doesn't always feel like they're the opportunities that she wants or needs. So anyway, she's an amazing character, strong, resilient, creative. And it's a realistic fiction book and just about what it means to be growing up in America. And everybody has a different story and a different way of doing that. So that's Piecing Me Together by Renee Watson. Really enjoyed it. Going back to this week's essential question, as you finish up your AOW today, watch the last Everyday Hero video of the week. Why do some people, and not all, possess the character and drive to help others? All right, so what we're doing today, we are doing the last paragraph of the article of the week. You're going to write your thoughts and opinions about the article, and then this is a list of ideas for expressing your opinion. You do not need to write about all of these. You don't really need to write about any of them. You might have some ideas of your own and that take up a paragraph. So, but just some ideas. What did you learn from this article? How can you relate to the article? What does this article make you think of? So making connections and seeing that in life. So what can you make between this article or any of the characters and other things that you've read, that you've heard about, that you know of? How does the article make you feel and why? And what questions does the article leave you with? Okay, so once you have thought about that, you're going to go over to Otis. You are going to put all the pieces together. The first paragraph and then the middle two paragraphs should already be there. Your opinion paragraph is last. And this is your first summative article of the week. Remember, it is worth 4 summative grades. So make sure you really do your best before you submit it. And then lastly, go ahead and do your weekly checkout in Otis. You'll have that every Friday from now on. It's a learning behavior grade, but it's just a helpful way for me to check on you when I don't get to see you in the classroom, and just to know how you're doing and get to know you better too. Okay, so I think that is about it today. Hope you guys have an amazing 3-day weekend that's fun and relaxing and get your mind off of the stresses of everyday life. You are beautiful, you are wonderful, you're amazing. I will see you next week.